Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to my videos. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my slime collection. This is all my slime. I just named them with my Vivid. So I'm going to start from smallest to biggest. So this is my violet slime. Very sticky. Well, not very, but sticky. It's so sticky. The slimes that I use. Okay, so this is my glittery jiggle. I just named all of my slimes. So glittery jiggle. This is also very sticky, and I mean very. And so I've got to play with it fast. Okay. Oh. Next up, we have my Pinkie Pie slime. Pinkie Pie. Pink with lots and lots of glitter. Actually gonna mix this slime with the slime that I actually made it with. So I'll be back. I'm mixing the slime with my pink jiggle slime. This is what it looks like. I made my Pinkie Pie slime with this pink jiggle and my rainbow confetti slime. Very jiggly. No need the lid. Pinkie Pie. Okay, now I've got my blackberry slime. Blackberry. I don't know why I called it blackberry. Oh, actually, I do know why I called it blackberry, because it's blue. Not because it's blue, because it's got black glitter in it. Can't really see it. This is also very sticky. Can you guys see the black glitter? Look, glitter. I keep saying glitter. Can you see the glitter? I don't think you guys can see the black glitter, but there is black glitter in there. Very sticky. Lots of my slimes are jiggly slime, and jiggly slime is sticky slime. Next slime I have got is my Peel Off face mask slime. Clear. It's clear as well, but it's not clear now because I was playing with it just before. When you play with it, it's clear, but when you leave it in the container, it's not clear. So this is my first ever clear slime I've ever made, and my first ever Peel Off mask slime I've ever made. And I've done a video on how to make this, so you guys should go check it out. The next slime I have got is my purple ice cream slime. And this was the slime that I did my what is it called? Oh, my slime smoothie. So you guys should go check that out, It's actually a really, really cool process. I'm not really good at unicorn poops. Well, it is, but you can't like crack it because it's so big. Here's a bubble. But the slime is a good thing for what's it called? Poking. Next up, I've got my baby powder slime. This is this was a white slime, but then I colored it, and then I put baby powder in it to make it nice and smooth. And baby powder slime is sort of like a what do you call it? A butter slime. It stretches out perfectly. And if you hear that banging, that's my nephew. Probably trying to come in. You can like sort of see where the baby powder's gone. Let's put it over here. Okay. Next slime I've got is my glitter cloud. It looks like it's white, but there's actually blue glitter in there. If you can look up, if you can see closely, there's blue glitter. No. This is also very, very runny, but I did add baby powder in it. Okay, okay. Okay, next up is my blueberry slime. It's a jiggly slime. I'm not gonna take it out, but if you look on the bottom, like there's like glitter, yellow glitter. I made this one out of my what do you call it? My yellow carrot slime, I believe. It's very, very sticky. Blueberry, and now I've got my my rainbow confetti slime. That's how I made my Pinkie Pie slime. I made this out of I put baby powder in this one as well. It's very, very stretchy. Woo! I saved it. Got it on my leg. I caught it on my leg. This isn't really sticky. The good thing about this slime is it's good at poking, but you can't really hear the noise. And it's really, really soft. It's soft like a baby's butt. Next up, I've got my strawberry shortcake. My strawberry shortcake, and next up I've got my unicorn poop, and I'm saving the best for last. This isn't the best, this is the second best. And last, oh no! Just noticed that I got some on my t-shirt. Best for last is my clear peel off face mask slime. But this is in a purple colour. You guys can see it's purple. It is pretty cloudy. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Make sure if you're not subscribed, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can always get my slime. But ciao for now.